Finding the courage to change. Don't have to live that way. You don't have to live that way no more. This is a 12-step program saying that I lean on when I'm feeling down and discouraged. You don't have to live that way no more. I have choices. I can learn to make better choices. I can discover new ways to be if I'm willing to be open to change. You don't have to live that way no more. I have tools. I can make up my mind to pick them up and use them every day. I can commit to helping myself. You don't have to live that way no more. I have companions. I'm not alone. We are all in this together. When I give, I receive more than I gave. I'm not bothering others when I reach out to them. They feel alone too. You don't have to live that way no more. I have teachers, I have guides, I have mentors. Some of these teachers may be people, some may be my life experience, some may be books. When I become willing to be a beginner, then the teachers appear. You don't have to live that way no more. I have an unbreakable connection to source energy. When I tune into source, I can feel this energy inside me and outside. I can see unlimited opportunity. When I disconnect from source, fear arises. I feel lost and alone, abandoned and misunderstood. I do that. I'm the one turning away. I don't have to live that way no more.